plane are used for the air transportation. Ooh, a lot of toys. Let's see it. It's a tank, military tank. Let's put here. It's fire truck engine. Fire truck on the way to rescue. Wow, it's a bus. The bus may be used for scheduled bus transport, school transport, private hire, or tourism.
Let's put here. Wow, it's a police car.
It is used to assist with their duties in patrolling and responding to incidents.
Okay, now let's find other vehicles.
A garbage truck.
A garbage truck is a truck specially designed to collect municipal solid waste and transport it to a recycling center. What is this? Looks like a tractor.
Tractors can be used to pull a variety of farm implements for plowing, planting, cultivating, fertilizing, and harvesting crops, and can also be used for hauling materials and personal transportation.
Now, put it here, and we look for another. What we got here, it's a military aircraft.
All over the world uses military aircraft in both offensive and defensive purposes.
What next we got here?
It's a crane truck or boom truck. A crane truck, also called a boom truck, is a transport vehicle that has a crane built into its structure that helps load and unload large goods.
And then what we got here? It's a dump truck, the biggest dump truck.
A dump truck is used for transporting materials such as dirt, gravel, or demolition waste for construction as well as coal. A dump truck again.
A dump truck, known also as a dumping truck, dump trailer, dumper trailer, dump lorry or dumper lorry or a dumper for short, is used for transporting materials such as dirt, gravel, or demolition waste for construction as well as coal.
And the last what we got, it's an excavator.
We put the excavator here. These machines are used mainly for digging purposes as well as various lifting and carrying tasks in various applications.